Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos helping you learn English fast. This morning in class my group were discussing the pros and cons of where they live, what's good about where they live and what's not so good. And one of my students was complaining because she lives in quite a built-up area in a big tower block, and near her was a brown field site, a kind of empty area just waiting to be developed. And at the moment, when she parks her car, she has to park half an hour away from her house. And so local residents had been asking for this brownfield site to be turned into a car park. It would have been very convenient for them. Sadly, they've just found out this isn't going to happen because some secretive, powerful, wealthy local people have instead managed to persuade the local council that they should be able to build another tower block on this particular space, meaning more cars and even fewer spaces to park them in. She was complaining because sometimes powerful vested interests oppose any changes that prevent them from making money. If you talk about vested interests, you mean people or organisations who want things to happen or don't want things to happen because it will benefit them or stop them from benefiting. So sometimes maybe proposed controls on carbon emissions will be opposed by powerful vested interests in the oil industry. If you've enjoyed this video, please click like, share with your friends and subscribe. And in the comment section, we'd love to hear examples of vested interests that you've encountered. Thank you.